Hi, my name is Larry Mitchell, and we're here to discuss parking your new wheelchair accessible van. There are 3 different types of wheelchair parking spots to consider. There is the basic one that's identified by the universal blue wheelchair symbol, and then there are those that also have hash striping on one or both sides for wheelchair access and ramp space. How you'll pull into a spot will depend upon what type of spot it is and what vehicles are around you. If you have the hash stripes on both sides, you will pull in normally, leaving enough room for the ramp to deploy and for a 90-degree turn of your chair with clearance. If the hash stripes are only on one side, you should back in so the ramp deploys in the hash striped area. Without proper planning, after you return, you could be pinned in and not be able to deploy the ramp to re-enter your vehicle. After parking, it is important to remember to always stow the ramp so it can't be run over and damaged. If you are deploying a side ramp next to a curb, then there are 2 things to consider. 1, make sure you turn off the kneel feature since the ramp will be deploying at curb height. And 2, remember not to park too close since the door extends outward when it is opened. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips were helpful, and we'll see you next time.